All right, before you start the drying cycle, you're going to want to empty the lint filter. Now, there's two lint filters on here. One is right here, just beyond the door. You're going to take your hand up, and there's like a little indentation right here. You're going to take your hand and pull it up, and it slides up right here. Now, this lint filter is very different, okay? So there's two ways to clean it. There's one where you take your finger, and you go in there, but you can also open it like this. All right, you see that? And you have access to the lint filter inside. And what you're going to do is you're going to remove all of this, all of the lint. All right, you see all that? Remove it. All right, even on the back side, if you see lint on the back side, remove that. All right, and then shut it back, and it locks kind of into place like with this little knob right here. All right, do that, and then you're going to take this little hook. This is what I pulled up on. You're going to take it back right here and slide it back in. All right. Next, we're going to go to the other lint filter, which is the hybrid part of it. I'm going to adjust right here. Zoom in a little bit. All right, here is a lint filter right here. So you're going to take, I'm going to go ahead and shut this door. You're going to take your finger, press it. The door comes open right there, and you're going to pull this out. Now, there's a lot of lint around here, and you might want to take a wet cloth to go around here to remove any excess lint, as well as there's some lint in there. I'll show you in a second. But before we get to that, I'm going to pull this out. All right. And there's lint all over here. Here, right here. You're going to take it and you're going to go in right here and just move that lint. Move all this lint that's on the outside. All right. Pretty cool. Any if that's on the back side. And then there is a section where you open this up and look, there's more lint inside here. So I'm going to take this. And I'm going to take this and pick this up right here. You see that? All this lint right here. And you might, sometimes I actually take this under a water faucet just so I can make sure I can remove all of the lint from out of here. And so once you remove all the lint, you're going to take this and snap it back into place. And then you're going to put it back in here. But before you do that, you want to check inside of here to make sure you got all the lint in here. It's kind of cumbersome to get this. I wish there was a better design, or maybe a wet cloth under here. And then I'm going to show you inside. All right, but before I show you inside, I'm going to take this, insert it back in. All right, and I'm going to show you inside here. All right, now this is something you might want to work on too right here. All right, inside here, there is lint builds up, and you can take a wet cloth and you can just get some of this, all this lint out, because it builds up against here and it's not supposed to be up in there. All right, so periodically, or maybe every load, get all that, get a wet cloth maybe, and then wipe all that lint out. And then once you're done, you're gonna take this, all right, slide it back in, lock it into place, shut it, all right, and then come up here, make your selection, and start your dry.